Do some smoked chicken and voodoo sour cream enchiladas with mole sauce. They look really good, really easy to make. Great way to use leftover chicken. Let's get this party started. I'll post up the recipe at the end. You can screenshot it or whatever, but different moles, green versus red. Got our rotel and the black beans. I didn't have the Mexicorn, so I just used what we had on hand. Wife blanched some carrots for me, and yes, you have to use a can opener. Some people don't like those. Meat Church Fajitas, the chicken spice that I used on these smoked chickens. Used pecan shells, it was really nice. Getting in the old Cuisinart. Easiest way to chop up chicken for enchiladas. Just makes for a good bite. Pretty consistent size, consistent bite. We'll dump this in. It's all my stuff ready to go. Yep, and then go get the blade. We're good to go. So add voodoo to the sour cream and get to town. Spray your pans with Pam. I'm using corn tortillas. My kids are gluten-free, so loading them up. Kind of like Mexican lasagna, making little teeny tacos, little enchiladas, covering it with that, and then we'll dump in the sauce. Now the rojo is a bit hotter, has little hints of hot from time to time, so be careful with the rojo. Green is the preferred family favorite. Sometimes I just mix it up for me with the red, but they're both really, really good at your local H-E-B or grocery store. Green's just more subtle, smoother, less bitey. If you like the spice, knock yourself out. If you want to be cautious, go with the green. Get that layered. Get it in the oven. I think it was 325. Oh, we gotta put the cheese on. Put on the cheese. This is my Mexican mixed cheese from H-E-B. Anything will really do. Chicken's already smoked. That dip is really good with chips. If you wanted to serve it as like an appetizer or a party dip or something, that is really good. Sprinkle some voodoo on here. Can't have too much voodoo. And then into the oven, 325, 30, 45 minutes, whatever you want. Definitely let it cool because it's atomic hot. I store it in either plastic or glass bins. Thanks for the music, and I'll leave the recipe up here for you. You can take a screenshot. But thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next cook.